When you have a husband, Rox, make sure that your husband listen to you, baby, huh?
After a certain length of time, the egg isn't fertilized.
You're gonna kill them or you kill yourself if you're speeding.
All of a sudden the car just goes like this.
Yeah, don't do that, hon. Morning, guys. It's 8:45 na ng umaga. I turned the heater up here because we have a different heater downstairs at saka dito sa second floor. And I noticed this room, my filming room, I don't feel any like the heat. I feel cold every time I get in here. I don't know what's going on. Oh, hi, bug. Where's the dog?
Outside. You hear them barking?
Yeah, why? Why they're barking?
It wasn't outside.
You wanna eat now?
I just had 3 more asking.
You don't eat nothing.
I know.
I'm gonna make you something. You want omelette? Do you want bread with eggs sunny side up in it, middle? Egg sandwich? Oh, the dog is missing, hon. Hi, dog. They're coming. Do you want the egg muffin?
Yeah.
You take egg muffin or you want the nice bread? Okay. The muffin is really good. It's corn muffin, but I don't know why. Every time you go to the store, you see a lot of different kind of muffins, cinnamon, regular, but for some reason this corn muffin is not really, it's not all the time. I think it's seasonal. I don't know. This is English muffin. Okay. Okay, English muffin, guys. Always cut it. Up, come. Oh, you're always first, Rox. You're always first, baby. Oh, Misty. Hey, what are you doing here? Who bring you up here? Who bring you up here? Is it Dada? Who bring you up here? Oh, I told you not to come up here. Oh. Why you're up here? Is it Dada bring you up here? I told Dada not to do it. And he don't listen. He never listen to Mama, Rox. When you have a husband, Rox, make sure that your husband listen to you, baby, huh? Are you gonna get married, baby? What? Are you gonna get married? Oh, may dalaging ding naman na, oy. Gidugo na ka, Rox. Gidugo na ka. Do you know, Han, that dog, a girl dog is have menstruation? Do you know that?
Yes.
Yeah. But you don't have a dogo yet. You don't have the
She's fixed.
Huh?
She's fixed. She's not gonna have menstruation.
Are you sure, Han?
Yes, hon.
Oh my God, I don't... Roxy, you are fixed, Rox. I know you're fixed, but I think even you're fixed, you have that monthly thing.
Yeah, don't work that way. You don't even know what menstruation is?
What?
Are you kidding? You don't know what menstruation is?
Oh, to fertilize the thing.
What exactly is it?
To fertilize the woman. That is
It doesn't fertilize anything, huh?
I don't know, hon. Can you explain it to me?
Oops.
When your ovaries release an egg,
Okay.
once a month, and your uterus builds up a wall of blood to hold that egg. So if the egg becomes fertilized, it has all the nutrients enough to feed this growing baby.
Are you a woman, hon? How do you do
What
this
is-
scientific, hon?
After a certain length of time, the egg isn't fertilized, then your body gets rid of it, and the wall breaks down. That breakdown of the wall, that is your menstruation.
That's the blood.
Yeah, that's the blood.
No, the blood is...
blood, the wall.
Oh, hold on. Okay, okay, now I get it.
If you become pregnant,
Then you
then
stop.
you don't have menstruation because it holds
Yeah.
that wall to keep
Ah.
giving nutrition to the
Did you
baby.
listen, Rox? Did you understand what Dada said, Rox? No, baby, we're not gonna have a grandkid.
I knew that. Why didn't you?
We're not gonna have a grandkid, baby.
Grandpuppy.
Grandpappy, no grandpappy. Not like in the Philippines, Han, that you're gonna have a million grandpappy. Because over there, there's no fix. So, come here, Rox. So, the puppy over there is
Yeah,
kept...
they don't call them grandpuppies, they call them lunch.
Huh?
They don't call them grandpuppies, they call them lunch.
Lunch? So that means it's a food?
Yeah.
Ay, nako, Han, that's not good. Let's go down. Oh, I thought, Han, she have a menstruation last month, Han. I see it, Han. Han, you have to be careful when you open this one, Han.
Yep.
It break. You only open it this way in.
Watch, be careful, but this one's trying to sneak up again.
Pimpolers. We are going to pick up some food. Yee-hee. Yahee. It's freezing. I have to shut this off because the music will blast on. Oh my god, I just shut it off. Hold on. Guys, it's so dark in that house. No one in that house? You don't have your light on?
Out.
Huh?
Maybe they're out.
Sometimes they're very dark and there's no one live there. Oh, they're in there. There's
a
light.
couple lights on, but just a couple.
Oh my god, it's
Driveway's
3.
dead.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Still.
9 only. Yeah. The frick. It's in this time of year, guys. Anyway, it's any time of the year. I think you have to be careful driving in this upstate New York. There's a lot of deer everywhere. In our area here, there's a lot of deer in the road. There's a lot of skunk walking. What is the other animals that a lot of people
Raccoons.
killed? Raccoons. Yeah.
We have a lot of skunks and raccoons in every shelter we can.
Yeah, but deer over here, it's like
But they got more deer here.
more deer over here, and it's really
They got possums here. We don't really get.
possums. It's
we don't
really
get too much
dangerous
possums.
too.
We got a lot of bunny rabbits here, and they got a lot of bunny rabbits all the way in their shelter too.
Yeah.
So
The deer only is more dangerous, guys, because they will slam your car. You know, they ruin your car. Can kill.
killing them. What's worse?
Yeah.
Your car being
Or
dead,
you're gonna
you're
kill them,
dead.
or you kill yourself if you're speeding. Yes, that's dangerous. I'm sad
You feel
saying
better with this car, because this car, even if you don't see it, the car might stop.
no. If
Yeah.
the deer
If
will
jumps
really
in front of this car will slam on its brakes. Yes, this car will. My car will not.
it's only can see the car, isn't it? Doesn't
No,
see
that's
deer.
not true, hon. It sees anything that gets in front of it. Anything.
But it's going to slam me.
It'll
Because-
slam on the brakes.
Yeah.
All of a sudden the car just goes like this.
Yeah, don't do that, hon. I'm gonna be useless.
You get your seatbelt on?
Yes,
Then it's not a problem.
but don't do that. It's not okay.
Showing you what the car is going to do.
I know it happens to us a lot, hon, when you're driving.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, hon, because you are driving crazy. You do the bushes.
I do the pushes.
Yeah, you can see it. Ah, okay, now I got it. This car can see even bushes. It's just suddenly stopped because see the bushes in the back. That's the back, not even the front.
Yeah, it's not the bushes it's seeing. And it's not in the back. It's the hedges, but not in the back. It's on the side. Because it doesn't want you to be too close.
Yeah.
Well, the way I do that to get out to the grass, I get close.
Yeah.
And that car does weird things because it doesn't like that I'm not close. I don't like that it does that. I know how to drive, I don't need to do that crap. But
It's a good feature.
it's a good feature when you're
What's up?
driving, you're tired, or you're just not paying attention,
Yeah.
or you're talking to the camera.
Ay, nako, hon. I pay attention driving when there's camera is on in the front. Slow down over here, baby. Nako. Buang ni Kuan ni Rivera eh. Han, makabuang man ka, Han? Ha? I'm just watching a video. This video that I've been watching is about the Malamute. How cute is the dog Malamute? It's kind of Malamute. I think it's different from. It looks like husky. I think it's a husky family, but they called it Malamute. I don't know if you guys have any idea. But husky, Malamute, Alaskan Malamute they are very so pretty, guys. I really want to get another dog. But anyway, Tommy's outside ordering something. He's outside in the car. He's talking to his sister. What else? Yeah, I am going to shut the heater off because now it's hot inside.
Look how nice he's sitting there, like, oh, he just ducked out.
Look. How good is that dog? Our dog is gonna be that good too.
I think you're gonna sit her in the front seat.
Yeah. Look at that dog. Okay. Hello, doggy, dog. Hello, doggy, dog. You're so cute, dog. I love dogs.
Do I know you? I love them.
I just love dogs. I love you all. There's the food right here on my lap, guys. Watch out, baby. Oh, you're so lucky, my love. Okay. Dada left. Happy! We're gonna go 40. We're gonna do a 40. Dada left. We're gonna do a party. We're gonna do a party. Party, poopits. Party, poopits. Party. Look, you eat my bonsai. Oh, the leaves is all leaveless now. You eat the leaves. You eat the ay nako. Oh, that's not good, baby. They eat my bonsai. The leaves. Luckily, that bonsai is not harmful to animals. You're lucky. Tommy left. I haven't really vlogged Tommy around because, you know, headache, sakit ulo, sabi niya. So, masakit nga ulo niya, guys, the whole day. Well, that headache, guys, we can't do nothing about it because he has that headache since he was like a toddler. Yep, and the doctor cannot solve why there's no. His parents bring him everywhere. Doctors there, doctors here. They cannot solve it. Why he has a headache, and then he's wearing glasses when he was a kid too. I'll shut this Christmas tree off. And yeah. So yun lang, guys. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to end this vlog. We had the dinner. The food that Tommy got from the restaurant is really good. We did take it out and then bring it here, and then we left some here and then they bring some because tomorrow night they are coming back here. And tomorrow I will be very busy. I'm gonna be very busy tomorrow because I'm going to grocery early because, you know, tomorrow is Wednesday and then the next day is Thanksgiving. So the store is gonna be really packed because, you know, a lot of people do grocery. Tommy want to do grocery today and I said he has a really bad headache. I said no. At saka, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. See you tomorrow. Bye guys. Good night guys. Bye-bye.
Iwan ko kung kailan kami yung isip ko guys, nagtuwad baliskad. Alam ko nagtataka kayo bakit hindi kami magkasama ng asawa ko.